What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to export your design on Corel. So for this tutorial I'm going to be using this design. This is just a quick logo I just made for this actual tutorial. So to export your design, all you have to do is just to come over here to your files, then scroll down to where we have export, then your save as type. However, you guys should always save your document as, your designs as PNG, because I noticed that it retains more quality of your design. So I advise you guys to go for it, but there's nothing bad in just picking JPEG. But if you are going to be saving a logo which has to be without a background, make sure you always save it with your PNG. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to save it on my PNG. Export. So you just come over here and give it whatever name you want to give it. I can give it like killer logo. So killer logo, I can give it like so or something like that. Yeah, and click on export. I'm going to load. It's going to like show me a preview that these are going to be. So that's how I do it, just to confirm it. I don't tamper with any of these settings here. So I'll just confirm it, and these are designs. So what you can do now is to move it to your phone, upload it to your site, or do whatever you have to do with it. And another warning for you guys, if you are using Corel X3, like I will advise you guys to upgrade to a newer version, because I noticed that whenever you save a document on Corel X3, it's like it alters in the color of that design. It alters the color of that design. So like I advise you guys to try and get a newer version, whether X4, X5 or X6, which I'm currently using. But if you don't have any means of doing that, to bypass all those, to bypass it, change altering your colors, all you have to do is just zoom into that particular design you want to probably like a flyer. And this is something I just learned from someone, one of my colleagues. Shout out to AY. So all you have to do is just to zoom into your page, and then you just press print screen on your keyboard, or better still, you come over, you get your snipping tool. It's on your, just search for your snipping tool. So you can use it to take screenshot of your image, and then click on new, and then you can take a screenshot of your design, and you just have to do is just to save and be like killer logo something, and just save it. So like I said before, this method will be mostly good for if you are designing a flyer on Corel X3, just to retain that actual color of your design. And these are designs. So that is for today's tutorial, guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping more tutorial. Have a nice day.